What if someone could read everything you send online? Your passwords, private messages, even your bank details. Encryption is what prevents that from happening. Welcome to CyberMigos, the channel where cybersecurity is explained simply. Today we're breaking down encryption basics and how it protects your information every time you use the internet. Encryption is the process of turning readable information into unreadable code. Only someone with the correct key can convert that encrypted data back into its original form. Without that key, the information is useless to attackers. How encryption works. Encryption uses mathematical algorithms and keys to scramble information. When data is encrypted, it becomes ciphertext, which cannot be understood without the correct decryption key. This protects information while it travels across networks. Encryption keys. Encryption relies on keys that lock and unlock protected data. Some systems use a shared key, while others use a public key and a private key pair. The security of encryption depends heavily on protecting those keys. Why encryption matters. Encryption protects many of the services we rely on every day. Online banking, secure websites, and private messaging all depend on encryption to keep information safe. Without encryption, sensitive data could easily be intercepted. Encryption in real life. Encryption works behind the scenes every time you see HTTPS in your browser. It protects your passwords, credit card details, and private conversations. That's why encryption is one of the foundations of modern cybersecurity. Encryption protects data. Encryption protects data from attackers, even if they intercept it. Without the correct key, the encrypted information is unreadable. This is why encryption is one of the most important defenses in cybersecurity. Encryption is one of the most powerful technologies protecting information on the internet. At CyberMigos, we break down complex cybersecurity topics so anyone can understand them. If you found this helpful, make sure you like the video and subscribe to CyberMigos for more simple cybersecurity explanations.